Yeah.
Hello everyone, Sak Passe. It's your boy Constant Whitley. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This reason I make this video is I will start a Creole course in this month. The reason why I will start a Creole course because a lot of people want to speak Creole, Haitian Creole. You want to speak Creole? You need to speak Creole? I'm here to help you. Or you can participate in this course. It's simple. First, you will like this video. You will go to YouTube. You will type Constant Whitley and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Or type show on net and you will subscribe to this other channel. It's for me. And after all, you will like, comment and share this video. It will be so easy, so simple. Everything I will say in Creole, I will explain it in English. Every time you don't understand something, I will explain it in English. If I say moins fatigué, if you don't understand it in Creole, I can say it in English. I am tired. Moins fatigué, c'est Creole. I am tired, c'est anglais. This is how I will teach you to speak Creole. Just subscribe, share this video, comment, like, and let me know when you are ready. May God bless you. That's your boy, Constant Whitley. May God bless you.
Yeah. Yeah. Relate it down.